Okay, so one of the nicest NSXs that come into our job is this one right here. Full carbon fiber package. I think it was $240,000. He has these nice wheels, a red on red, and he has science of speed downpipes. As you can see, this one sounds good. We like this one here. And the shop foreman's the only one allowed to work on them. He's at an NSX school, or finished NSX school. So, if you need your NSX worked on, come on down and he'll take care of it for you. Alrighty. Make sure I don't get the plate in there. Oh. It sounds rowdy. Yeah, rowdy. And then we got all this other hunks of shit. Not gonna say a bad word today. Oh, and there's that mechanic too. There's that guy. I don't know his name, but he's walking right at me, kind of fast. So I'm gonna go a little quicker now. And we'll be back with some fishing videos.